Materials. What you'll need: 3 4-inch by 6-inch rectangles of chosen fabric, 1 3.5-inch by 5.5-inch rectangle of fusible interfacing, pencil, sewing machine, grommet, and grommet punch. Begin by cutting out all your pattern pieces from your fabric of choice and clear material if using. You should have 3 pieces of your main fabric measuring 4 inches by 6 inches and 1 piece measuring 3.5 by 5.5 inches. To make the front of your luggage tag, fuse your piece of interfacing to 1 fabric rectangle on the wrong side. Take the interfaced fabric and draw a box measuring 2 inches by 3.5 inches on the interfaced side. The drawn box should sit an inch from the bottom of tag. Draw a line matching opposite corners of your box, creating an X on the inside of your box. This will eventually be your name window. Starting from the center, cut the frame open following the X you drew on the inside of the box up to but not through the outline. Once cut, press the triangles toward the wrong side of the fabric, creating an open frame. Trim excess fabric from the triangle points. Press the top edge of your tag front toward the wrong side by 1/2 inch. Press all other edges toward the wrong side by 1/4 inch. Top stitch around the frame opening with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and set aside. To make the back of your luggage tag, match up your 2 remaining fabric rectangles with right sides together. Pin in place and stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a 1 to 2 inch gap at the bottom of the tag. Clip excess fabric from all corners at an angle and flip tag right side out. Place your tag front on top of your tag back, with wrong side of tag front facing right side of tag back, matching up bottom and side edges. Top stitch through all layers of your luggage tag along the 2 sides and bottom with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Leave the top open so that you can slide your name tag or info card into your luggage tag. Insert a grommet into the top of your luggage tag. Use ribbon, rope, or fabric straps to attach to luggage. This luggage tag is ready to travel.